90% of developers make this mistake with static methods. Check this code. In this code, shows the wrong and the right way to use static method with a class. This player and score are instance properties, so they belong to each game object. This one, you see, this new game instance actually creating the new game object are changed by the at points. This one, these at points, uh, and this at point is the instance method. Okay, this at point is actually the instance method, and this show score is static. So this inside it referred to the this class game, not to this game. Okay, this game object, which is why this dot score is written undefined. And for this game role is a correct static method because it return the class level info that does not depend on any specific instance. To read the actual score, you must use the instance. I mean this game dot score. Okay, not a static method because score are per player, not shared on the class.